Good morning, everyone. Taking a look at your severe weather threat for later this afternoon. Pardon the laughter at the beginning of this. Cameraman Mario having some fun. He's going to be zooming in and out here to give you guys a better look at what we're looking at come later today. For this morning, we are still looking at very scattered, we'll call it raindrops out there. Right now, most of this not reaching the ground. Pinpoint 3D Titan brought to you by Kelly Roofing. We did see a couple of echoes on the radar just off to the south and east of town. It looks like a more moderate band of raindrops. I'm going to use it raindrops instead of rain showers there because there's not much coming out of the sky. A lot of this pushing off to the east, and back behind it we will be filtering in some more sunshine come later this afternoon, but hold on to your hats, folks, because it's not going to be sunny all day long. I know. What Mario's going to zoom in here is the severe weather threat through today into tonight and into tomorrow morning. A slim to low to medium threat for severe weather. As it looks right now, you'll notice this does include the city of Amarillo, points off to the east all the way to Shamrock. You folks in Pampa, back toward Panhandle into Borger, Fritch, back north and east toward Perryton and Canadian. Also includes some of our southeastern counties, Claude through Clarendon and getting into Childress as we head through again today, tonight, and into tomorrow morning. But it's not just the severe weather we have to worry about. We also have to worry about a tornado threat. Now, in saying that, it's a less than 2% chance that you do see a tornado tonight, but that opportunity is there. What we're looking at is if we can get some isolated thunderstorms, some supercells to fire up, that's when we're going to get the best chance for a tornado. Now, if these cells kind of congeal together into a line, we don't have to worry as much about the tornado threat come later this evening and into the overnight hours. But as it sits right now, I still want to make mention that there is a slim chance that you do see a tornado. But what are we going to watch for overall? Well, watch out for gusty to damaging winds at 50 miles an hour or greater. Hail sizes in excess of an inch. That's bigger than a quarter. Cloud-to-ground lightning always a threat, and again, we have to watch out for that isolated tornado. So how does it all break down? Future Sky Forecast, I think, paints this out pretty well. Here we are, 5 o'clock. You'll notice just a couple of clouds out there as the dry line does set up. As we head through 5, 6, into 7, and 8 o'clock, a couple of showers and storms will fire across the high plains in some of our western counties. And this is where our concern is for tornadoes. If these stay isolated, they'll have a better chance of dropping a tornado. Now, if they kind of congeal into a line, as the Future Sky Forecast here suggests, here we are at 10 o'clock, with kind of a line of showers starting to form, we won't have to worry as much about the tornado threat. It'll still be there, unfortunately, but not quite as bad. And then as we head into 11 o'clock, here's that next line that fires up now just off to the south and east of town. And then as we head into the overnight hours, it does all push off to the east. Now keep in mind, I'll be here through about the noon hour or so. If you have any questions, just feel free to hit me up on Facebook. And then John and Chris will be in later this evening to cover all of our severe weather possibilities.